If you run a business, no matter how big or small, you can have a business profile on LinkedIn. But that's not really what LinkedIn is about. LinkedIn is about conversations. It's about people talking to people. It really is a little bit like being down the pub, but without the alcohol. Hey, I'm Sarah Clay, and today I'm going to tell you how to grow your business profile using your personal profile on LinkedIn. By far the best way to be on LinkedIn is as you. If you set yourself as the name behind your brand, it won't be long before you'll be the name in front of your brand. Think Virgin, think Branson. Oh, come on, Sarah, I hear you saying. What on earth am I going to post about on my LinkedIn profiles about my business? They don't want to know about my profit and loss or what great contract I've scored this week. Well, you're right. People on social media, people on LinkedIn don't want to know about the salesy stuff. That's not what LinkedIn or your social media is all about. People on LinkedIn, or anywhere for that matter, don't want to know about the salesy stuff. They want to know about the behind the scenes. They want to know about your products. Where do they come from? What are they made of? Or if you're selling a service, they want to know the person who's going to sell them that service. Okay, you're saying, I kind of get it, Sarah, but can you expand? Help me a bit more, please? Yes, of course. According to okdork.com, great name for a website, how-to posts do really well on LinkedIn. You're saying, what am I going to how-to about? Well, think of something that your company does differently or better than anybody else in your industry. So I'm going to bring this back to the hospitality industry because that's what I know and that's what I love and that's where I work the most. So here's a question. Do you sell wine? There is so much content around wine. There are so many opportunities to talk about wine. Different varieties. You could talk about vineyards. You could talk about pairing wine and food, bottling. Endless possibilities. And the same applies for beer, for food, for comedy, for music. In the hospitality industry, there is a wealth of really good content that your lovely people on LinkedIn will just want to read about and to hear you talking about. And of course, this doesn't just apply to the hospitality industry. It applies in every industry. Look at your products, look at your services. If you're selling something, where does it come from? How is it made? What are the raw materials? People love to know all of that kind of stuff. So, I hear you saying, what next? I've spent all this time building this amazing audience who love what I'm saying. What happens next? If you follow a strategy, you will see that those people who are liking and commenting and sharing on your posts on LinkedIn will start walking through your door and spending their hard-earned cash in your pub or restaurant. Or they'll be hopping over to your website, taking a deeper look into your company and your business and potentially buying your goods and services. It's not a quick fix, but if you've got the time and a cast iron strategy, the results could be huge. So, if you need some help getting set up on LinkedIn or some advice with what, how, when to post on LinkedIn, then get in touch and let's see how I can help you use your personal LinkedIn profile to drive traffic to your business. See ya.